In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to verify your YouTube channel without using a foreign number. But before we can start, you have to create a new Gmail account. So let's continue by it. So let's create a new Gmail account. You'll go to other network. So we are about to. So we have to create a new Gmail account before we can start verifying our YouTube channel. Let's wait for her. So create a new account. So enter the name that you want to use. Okay, let's assume that we are using thiis. Then you just use, okay, then you enter your details. Then you choose the type of Gmail address that you want. So let's choose thiis. Then you set a password for it. So let's use any password. So now our Gmail is about to be created. So let's wait for a while. So now our Gmail is successfully been created. So before we can verify our YouTube account without using a foreign number, we have to check on the top right corner there. You have like top right corner there, then you click on it. Wait for a while for the phone to restart it. Then after that, you enter your, you tap on the Google account. So this is how to get it. You have to firstly verify your phone number on Google, so that Google also keep records. So when you verify your phone number on Google, then you go to YouTube channel, then you'll be able to verify it without any restriction. So let's go by it. So let's add recovery phone number. So let's go by it. So you have to add up our phone number so that we can easily access it. So let's enter our phone number. Then your phone number is successfully been added. So after you've been add your phone number, so you have to go back. So you can see our phone number is added. So let's go back and go to and search for youtube.com/verify. So we will see YouTube will tell us that our phone number is already been verified. This is the easiest way to verify your phone number without getting any without getting any US or other country phone number, or going to online to go and purchase a phone number, a number before you can verify your YouTube channel. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel for next videos.